Hello and welcome to the Central Park Portal. Today we'll be going over the User Hub, how to add users as well as contacts to be able to manage your account within the actual portal. Here in the User Hub, you have a variety of options. You have User Manager, Contact Manager, and Access Manager. Today we'll be focusing on User and Contact Manager. For any person that may need access to use the portal, whether it be to submit tickets, validate any assets or contract details that are within the actual hubs, you're going to want to select User Manager. To create a user, simply go to the top, hit the plus button next to Create User. You will need their first and last name, phone number, and email address. Once you've entered in their information, simply hit Save. That user will then receive a confirmation email to complete their registration. They will be using their email address as entered here within the system and set their own unique password. For security purposes, they will also have to complete a one-time two-step verification to ensure that they are the proper person who should have access to our portal. Keep in mind that this two-step authentication is a one-time step simply to validate their identity. Once they've completed registration, they will simply just need to enter in their email address and chosen password, and they will then have access to the Central Park Portal. Once a user has been created within the portal and they've completed registration, you can now go to select their name and designate their level of access. Simply go to the Roles button up on top, and here you can add or remove specific levels of access that they may have. Customer users simply have read type capabilities within the portal where they're able to submit tickets, view assets that are on contract, view contract details, as well as high-level information within the Analytics Hub. Customer administrators have the ability to add or remove users, add or remove assets, and complete those edit type responsibilities within the portal. We do always want to recommend that any person that needs to be added or removed from the portal be completed by whomever you designate as an administrator within your organization. You may also want to refer it to your account manager or client service manager to complete from there. The next area where you may want to designate capabilities is under accounts and contracts. Here you can designate which specific contracts that user will have visibility to. We do understand that some accounts may be segmented and different groups work under different assets. Here, that level of access can be designated by contract number, whether it be all of contracts, select specific ones, or no visibility and simply have basic access within the actual portal. Here is a table that designates what a user has access to versus what an administrator has access to. Here you can see an administrator has broad capabilities within the Central Park Portal versus a regular user. The next section we'll be visiting is Contact Manager. This is where you can manage who will be designated as contacts for any service ticket that may be open within the Central Park Portal. As you can see, this area is a bit familiar as it is to the User Hub. However, this will be strictly contact information. You'll enter in the first and last name, email address, and phone number of whomever the contact is that you'll be adding. Once you've added in this information, simply hit Save, and this person will now be available under the contact dropdowns during the ticket submission process. If you have a group or shared email that needs to be included as an available contact, simply enter in the details as it would be a direct point of contact. For example, we're going to enter in the server team. Once you've entered in this information, it will then be available during the ticket submission process as a point of contact. We understand that there are a lot of customers out there who do use multiple groups to manage their equipment. This is a quick and easy way to ensure that all members of that team who manage that equipment are contacted and avoid any service delays during the ticket process. Here at Park Place, we want to make sure that your teams have the most tools available to them to service your requests swiftly and efficiently. There are a variety of ways to interact with our groups. Here on the bottom of the Central Park Portal, you see contact information to reach our support center. Our support center is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day of the year. If you are calling internationally, there is an international number as well as toll-free numbers that are available via our website. Depending on which country you're calling from, there are a variety of phone numbers available to dial from in order to reach our support center globally. Also available for your teams is our mobile app. This mobile app will display the same ticket information that's available to you from the web version on your mobile phone. Here you're able to submit, edit, and view incidents, monitor escalation processes, and access all contracted assets that are currently available. This app is available via the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, available for download on your mobile device. Thank you for your time today in reviewing the User Hub, as well as the multiple avenues available to contact Park Place Technologies. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to your account manager or client service manager.